Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist's keyboard shortcuts, your complete guide for 2025. Our first step is to open Todoist. Easy enough, right? Now let's start with a basic but essential shortcut, creating a new task. You can do this by pressing Q on your keyboard. This helps us because it saves us time clicking around, allowing us to get right into writing down our tasks efficiently. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next shortcut, setting a task priority. You can do this by pressing P, followed by a number from 1 to 4, with 1 being the highest priority. The reason we do this is to organize our tasks based on urgency, creating a more efficient workflow. Next up, we have the shortcut for setting a due date. Simply press D on your keyboard. This is important because it ensures we never miss a deadline, keeping our productivity high. Another handy shortcut is the quick find command. By pressing / on your keyboard, you can search for any task, project, or label in Todoist. This helps us because it allows us to locate specific tasks quickly and effectively. Finally, let's talk about toggling full screen mode, which can be done by pressing F. This is useful as it allows us to focus on one task or project at a time, minimizing distractions and increasing our productivity. Let me explain why these shortcuts matter. By mastering these keyboard shortcuts, not only will you save time, but also increase your productivity by leaps and bounds. Keyboard shortcuts are like secret pathways in a game. They help us get to our goal faster and more efficiently. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to using Todoist's keyboard shortcuts. Remember, every second saved with these shortcuts adds up, making you a more efficient and productive taskmaster. Thank you for tuning in. Stay productive and see you in the next video.